So now you are coming out. Yeah.
Block.
So what is the advantage of going to the Kesering Ganglion? Okay.
Any other question? Dr. Jain is almost ready, and he'll be starting with the focusing of the CM. We are focusing, and then we'll go into the procedure. Till then, if you have any question, if you can ask.
Shoot. Take. I'll turn it here. Shoot. Take.
The caution here is.
Hello.
Shoot.
Sir.
Pankaj?
Yes.
Yes.
The caution here is, since the patient is having pain only in the mandibular division, why we want to sacrifice the ophthalmic and the maxillary division?
Yeah.
Can you repeat the question, please?
Since the distribution of pain is only in the mandibular division,
Yes.
why we want to sacrifice V1 and V2 nerves?
No. That is if we are doing the radio frequency, we can specifically target the V3 division. It is not that we are sacrificing V1 and V2 also, because this is the advantage of doing the radio frequency procedure, that we can specifically stimulate only the V3 division without ablating the V1 and V2 as well. So we can do that, particularly in the foramen oval, the lateral most part is occupied by the V3 division. So our target will be only the V3 division, not the other division.
बहुत बड़ा आएगा अच्छा
Is this answer is clear to the audience? Pankaj?
Yeah, it's clear. So that's the ganglion here. Okay. What?
Okay, any other question?
Here.
Otherwise, I'll be handing the mic to Dr. Jain.
Yeah, I'm just, okay.
Okay.
So you are ready with the
Yes, we are ready with the procedure.
Okay.
In the Pankaj, what's going on in the hall? OT1, OT2. Dr. Pankaj?
Yes, I can hear you.
What's going on in the hall on the screen? Hall 1 or hall 2 right now? Okay. एक लेपल रेडी करें डॉक्टर साहब को बिठाएं.
See, this is
Hall 2.
Yeah. Yes, friends. Hello.
Yes.
Am I clear there?
Yes.
Okay. This is a patient who's got a V3 division left side head issue. Yeah. Okay. Left-sided V3 division issue, and history is very clear, pertinent. We asked again and again, is there anything in the maxillary area? So she said no, it's specifically in the V3, otherwise we could have definitely gone V2. When you're going through oval, the best point is then we can keep taking multiple branches, V3 then on to V2 then on to V1 if need be. Mostly it's V3 and V2 which is involved together, mostly. And sometimes it can be isolated V3. Definitely what you said, Pankaj, is right. We can always go lateral approach through coronoid, and we can go ahead and just ablate the V3, mandibular division
खराब है, सर, कभी
only.
खराब हो रहा
You know,
है।
we can do RF, we can do nullity block, and we can do anything required.
नहीं, ठीक है,
Yes,
वो
but
मेरा
once
भी
you are
खराब
here,
होता है।
and we can always do V3 through Gessenian, and you can specifically state at V3. Now, what I'm trying to say here is very important now, that once you're going through the oval approach, then you stay just in the oval. Don't go up in the the cistern, you know, trigeminal cistern or trigeminal ganglion, and you can definitely ablate the nerve in the oval canal, which is about 0.5 centimeter. So you don't have to go on to the ganglion per se in a whole, as a whole. So still you can get a better approach because you are going parallel to the nerve. Remember, you're going here, you're going parallel to the V3 division. When you're going through the lateral approach, you're coming end on. You're coming oblique, or you can say perpendicular to the nerve. So you may not be able to ablate the whole nerve when you're doing the RF. So it is ideal to do an RF because you parallel to the nerve here. That's what normally teaching is RF. If you want a good lesion, go parallel to the nerve. That's what you're intending, and we are going to do a conventional RF, not just a pulse RF, which could be parallel, perpendicular
Okay.
even.
Okay.
That's another reason.
Yeah.
And approach and everything is very vital. The 75% of the job is done. I have to emphasize again and again before I drape the patient. Now it's important to understand. 75% job is done before I drape the patient. Once you look at the oval, then anybody who is even a startup person can come and do the procedure. So the most of the time I've seen problem here or in the conferences or otherwise, or when doing a procedure, when you're not able to localize the oval and you're trying to localize with the needle. That's the worst thing which can happen. So try to have a look at the oval first, satisfy yourself. Let your X-ray man, you know, the radiographer who is just by assistant, be satisfied, yes, it's oval, and he knows it. Because see, you are the proceduralist, he also knows it. And he says, yes, it's okay now, so everybody sees it's clear. If you look at the screen, I can show you. There are few tricks to that, and we'll spend more time in explaining you tricks of how to look at the foramen oval than just doing the procedure only, because that's going to be more important again, as I'm telling you. So we'll just start with the stuff. Here, once we position the patient, clean, drape, oxygen, monitor, light sedation required, and keep ready sedation, and maybe if required, some propofol may be required down the line if you feel so. Although I mostly do it without that, but if required, one should be ready for that also. That all is there. And history has already been done, and put the monitor on, because sometime when you do Gessenian, there can be some amount of bradycardia, tachycardia or something, you know, which can come up, or some even cardiac events have been there if patient has got a history. So you should be having all monitoring on. Don't take any procedure lightly. Asepsis is very, very important, not to say again, because infection, when it happens, meningitis and all that will spoil all your good work done. So that's a very important, just a complacency. It's not that you don't know, you know it all, but it's complacency. So no complacency when you're doing trigeminal here. We use 2 mm, 5 mm, 10 mm tip here, depending
annular
upon
fiber
which
है।
lesion, which branch we're doing it.
कार्ड
Only
है।
one branch, 2 branch, or 3 branches. If it is single branch, we can manage with just 2 mm, or sometimes 5 mm. I'm happier with 5 mm. You have more lesion there. And if you have to take 2 or 3 branches, it's better to take 10 mm tip, and you can do multiple long ablation through the tip. That's something important. 10 centimeter needle again. I always try to bend my needles. Can you show me the needle? Here. If somebody can focus on this. If you look at it, friends. मेरा specs दीजिएगा. इसका tip किधर है? Just give me my specs, please, if you don't
ठीक है।
mind. Somebody can
करना तो नहीं।
friends.
Axillary view.
Hey, here, specs.
Decompress this one.
Open quickly.
This one.
This one, na? This is exiting route. Cut cautery.
Thank you. Okay, it's already a small bend is
Sir,
there. You can see.
Can you just show?
Yeah. Can you
sir,
see this here, friends?
Hello.
Focus.
Sir, yeah.
Can you see this now? There is a small bend. I would definitely like to give a little more bend, because that gives a little more manipulation. There is a reason why I don't use straight needle. Why I don't use straight needle? I'm telling you for one reason. Because once you are in the wrong place, you always tend to come back all through up to the skin and go back in again. And again you land in wrong spot. So what you do is here, when you are right inside, you can always manipulate your needle tip and go to the desired level without coming out again and again. So that reduces the trauma and time both. It's very, very important to have a little bend tip.
Done? Exiting okay?
Okay.
इसको अभी down.
Okay, friends. I think probably it's better here now.
Yes, clear now.
Okay, friends. It's
Yeah.
important. You see, I can manipulate it inside. When even I'm committed inside, I'm not going to come out again. You will see that when I'm doing a procedure, especially when we have to play inside the oval. You know, once we're there.
Yes.
Okay. about the position now, patient has been nicely cleaned.
आउटर लेयर है.
उसमें ही sprouted हुआ है सर.
Friends, I have not draped the face yet. Have a look at the stuff. Look at the position now. Everything is at the position now. Patient has to be with a small pillow under the chest and neck, so neck can be extended. It shouldn't be purely under the head, so you are not able to extend the neck. Neck has to be in an extended position like this, because we are trying to have a submental view mostly to start with, and then we go accordingly. So this is the submental view when you go, and the machine starts from AP view initially. एक मिनट दिखाते रहो, views दिखाते रहो, change करते रहो. You keep seeing how he moves the machine now. Once the patient is nicely positioned,
Walking through the.
yeah. AP.
Sir, please ask this cameraman to show the images.
Images, okay. If it's not able to show you images, I think probably we have to go side by side. I think probably we already fixed the oval image, but anyway we'll start from zero.
कार्टिलेज है
जल्दी
इनप्लेट.
करो, zero.
इसको मत
Yes.
निकालो.
Okay. Now this is the zero image. What you're going to see on the second screen. See, this is zero image now, right? You're not seeing anything oval. What you're seeing is maxilla. You're seeing the orbits. That's what it is, and you're seeing the mandible. मुंह खोलिए.
गिव मी थोड़ा सलाइन देंगे प्लीज.
Open.
एक कटोरी
Sure.
में.
See, mouth is nicely open now, right? So you start seeing things now, but you're still not getting the picture anywhere close to oval. No way. We have to really see. Now what we do is, मुंह बंद कर लीजिए. What we do is, we kind of, in the same tilt, sky tilt, we just turn the machine towards the ipsilateral side.
सर
Sure.
अपना सर एंडोस्कोपिक
Sure.
पोस्चर नहीं
Ipsilateral side, and we put a submental view नीचे. उसको focus
नहीं,
रखिए. इसको दिखाइए. इसको भी दिखाते हैं बीच
नहीं
में.
आता क्या सर?
You don't still बीच में change करना होगा आपको. You still don't see oval. Now what we're doing is, we are coming little
गुड.
caudal tilt and or turn कीजिए. और turn कीजिए थोड़ा सा और.
So basically,
Now there are 2-3 ways of swinging it. Once we go in a heavy caudal tilt, we don't see anything, and then we start coming from below up. I'll show you
We have seen
again
the submental.
how that maneuver. Show please.
okay, we'll take first AP view.
ऊपर चलिए.
See the orbit, nasal cavity,
Show
mandible,
again.
maxilla.
Yeah, that's right. In fact, we are seeing oval right in the center.
That's the
In
mandible.
fact, we are seeing oval right in the center. I never wanted to show you straight, but it's straight looking at me. I'll show you where exactly it is.
Sir,
अब छोड़ो. ऑल थिंग इज डन.
There, everything is done. It's right here. Can you see this?
वो तुमको जो लग रहा है ना मैं भी सोच रहा हूँ.
Can you see this?
yes,
This is oval.
yes,
It's
yes.
right looking at us.
वो पकड़ में नहीं आ रहा.
The foramen oval coming out of there.
थिन है.
Between the mandibula,
जा रहा है पूरा, मानो
maxilla and the mandible.
हुक इज मूविंग बोथ द साइड्स ना फ्रीली.
Yes.
हाँ. Now it is going to go away. You just see it is going to go away. See, this is gone. It's still visible to me, but it's getting lowerwards. So
Hello.
what is said is, if you have
Sir, you are not audible. You are not audible.
if you have a pure submental view, this is the oval. Pure
See.
submental view, the oval will come
So you,
behind the bone.
yeah,
mandible.
you have to go
Keep
submental
rising
view.
up.
Yes.
This is called the rising sun sign.
Hello.
Yeah, sure. Yes, friends. Can you hear me? Closer. Okay. Yeah. So this oval which is there, you can compare it to the sun. This comes under the mandible, and when you start
Yes, yes.
raising your
Now it's
siam,
here. Yeah.
keep it more interior. This will start coming from behind the mandible and keep going up. This is called a rising sun sign. Okay, friends.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so we are trying to, just trying to show you. We are spending a little more time because I want to show you the variation. I might do it in 5 minutes, the whole procedure. But
I'll
again,
show
then
you.
the problem comes
I'll
until
show
you
you.
have the proper learning, you're going to have a little more waste of time at back home. So I'm spending a little more time on this, please. Footwards, foot
Can you see
bend.
that? No.
Okay, fine. Show them now. Show them now.
Yes.
डन.
Okay, it's going under the mandible now to some extent, right? So up, go
नहीं, आप
back
ले लो,
again.
see,
I
I'm
want to
going
show you one more maneuver.
You can take it, sir.
बस ठीक है.
We
दिखाइए
are
बेटा,
just doing
दिखाइए.
some final things.
बस ठीक है, चलेगा,
Yes,
चलेगा मैं
See,
चलेगा.
होगा.
Forearm, base of the
हाँ,
skull.
बस.
So we have to go extension
चल
and also audit,
ऊपर जाना होगा
Yeah.
हमको. हाँ, उसको सीधा आने दीजिए.
audit cranial. Yes.
सीधा होने दीजिए, टाइम लगेगा नहीं तो सीधा होने दीजिए. नहीं करे, कोई बात नहीं. ऐसे ही चलने दें. चलिए दिखाएं. Okay. And another thing, what he is doing is, I have to tell you that there shouldn't be any air in the field. Air is your enemy. If there is air, the machine averages and you don't see the bony images. So air should not come in the image. It's okay. It has just gone under the mandible now. We're going to lose the sight of this. This is the setting sun now. You're seeing the setting sun. It is going to setting down now. वापस करिए थोड़ा सा ऊपर वापस.
Zoom करो zoom.
थोड़ा ऊपर करिए जल्दी से. बस ठीक है. चलने दीजिए. चलिए ऊपर
Too much
चलिए.
of zoom.
हाँ, एयर नहीं आने दो बेटा, जैसे बताया. यस. Okay, friends. Is bas ठीक
Right,
sure
friends.
sure.
So that's the mandible here.
Oh, fine.
mandible.
So it's sitting right in the center of this, between the maxilla and mandible. Can you see this maxilla and mandible thing? Here. You seeing the maxilla image here?
Yes, yes.
Here. Maxilla image here. You seeing the mandible image here? And this is the foramen ovale right there in front of you.
Yes,
So
no,
this
oil
will
alone.
go in and out when we're doing it lateral tilt, like I'm going to do now for you. I'll just do for a minute. 1 minute. Sure. Sure. Sure, please. See this? This is going toward under the maxilla now. Can you watch it, please, friends?
No.
No.
Now,
Here. This
now I
is
can
going
see,
under
yes.
the maxilla. This is the foramen ovale. It's going to go under the maxilla now. Here. And when I do this will go under the mandible. Sure.
No, it's not here. Not here. Yeah.
It's going under the mandible. You see, this is going under the mandible now. So you can make it move medially and lateral depending upon if you make the patient head move right or left. So this will keep rotating between maxilla and mandible.
Sir, zoom out little bit.
ये पूरा close
It's
नहीं
too
होता.
much of zoom.
Okay, ये
Zoom it out.
करें,
Yeah.
उसको light को बंद करें.
And
Yes, can you see
KVA. Go down with the KVA.
You see this now, please?
Yes. Now
See
it's
this
not
image
clear.
now?
Yes.
So
Now
we
it's
have
clear.
to keep it
Yeah.
in the center of
Now
the
it's
whole
clear.
thing. It should be come out of the mandible. It should not be behind the maxilla. It should be behind the mandible. It should be in the center. Then we start proceeding. Okay,
Yes.
friends.
Yes. Okay. Now
So you understand,
the anatomy-
75% job is done. Is here. We are spending time. You also
Tell
do
you
this
anatomy.
exercise before you drive the patient. Before you put
I
the
tell-
gloves
I-
on. That's before you put the gloves on. This is to be done.
That's the nasal cavity here. That's the nasal cavity here. You can see the nasal cavity here. Nasal septum here.
Slightly.
This is basically
First
patient's
चलेगा.
spine.
Show
with
पहले
the
first show.
head and the
Okay.
frontal view.
हाँ, अब वापस लाएं थोड़ा सा.
Frontal view. Taken. And
Sure. Quickly. थोड़ा ऊपर ही रखें.
the patient has
हाँ
been
ठीक
symptoms on the
है.
left side.
चलेगा. ठीक है. थोड़ा ऊपर
When
रखें.
he
वो
goes
ear नहीं आना.
oblique or left side, you will see the nasal cavity here. That's the maxilla here.
Thanks. Thank you
You
so
can see the
much.
maxillary sinuses, ear sinuses. Okay. Here the frontal sinuses.
केस
That's the
अच्छा
mandible.
कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए केस
So
नहीं
between the
था
maxilla and the mandible, you have to
है ना
just remember this thing. So that's the mandible, maxilla here. And that's the mandible
एनेस्थीसिया के
here.
लिए नहीं था
Okay. In between we have a gap here. I'm doing that only. Now that's the foramen over here.
Now we have to start. Okay, lapel mic is available. Okay. Yes, friends.
Yes?
Okay, we're going to start the local, giving local first.
Once you go, start going oblique. Then you start
Footstool.
that's the foramen will come in.
डन
Footstool. Okay. ये खराब है. Footstool.
फोन
They are waiting there, looking at us.
Sir, position आइए.
Okay. Okay, another way
ठीक
to
है,
mark
patient
is,
will be absolutely
you've got a good
fine.
foramen ovale view. Sometime if you don't get it, I'll give you one tip now. Two tips rather. One tip is go 3 centimeter from the angle of mouth or 1 inch away from this angle of the mouth, and that's where you put your forceps in and you start seeing from there, and suddenly you see you are right there. Sure. See, you're just...
Sir,
Yeah.
Hello.
Sure. So
What is
you're
that?
just over the foramen ovale that way.
Yes.
So that's another one tip. By the way, if you lose the sight of the thing, that you can take a lead. And second is when it is in place, it is supposed to be going in the center of the pupil in AP view, and it laterally should be going in the mid of the zygoma. That's another lead. Because it's not unusual to get lost during the track or during the procedure, so you can always take these tips.
Okay.
Okay.
Anatomy is clear now.
Sure, now.
anatomy is
Sure,
clear.
quickly.
Any doubt?
Sure.
Any structure?
So we have a place to where you have to give my local now. Start with. Okay, fine. Right under the.
I have seen somebody targeting this thing.
एक मिनट थोड़ा सा
This foramen.
थोड़ा सा नीचे ऊपर करिए थोड़ा सा
Yes.
उधर जाता उधर नीचे
I
करिए
seen myself.
या
Somebody was trying to target
एक
this
सुन
that
कर
foramen. Magnum. Thinking what trigeminal.
बस
Yeah?
थैंक यू
Huh?
show me now show me again without
Yes. Yeah, you are asking something?
सलाइन दिया था फिर
The entry point.
कुछ
Okay.
स्प्राइल देना पड़ेगा होता
Okay. Dr. Jain?
yes please speak up yeah huh?
Sir, can you just show us the position of the patient and your entry point on the patient?
Yeah, so you know what I've told you, it should be in a little head tilt, you know, patient should
No, just ask the cameraman to focus.
Okay, show.
Yes.
ये हमने image-
Ask the cameraman to
वो wheel
focus
बीच
on
में
the
रखिए,
face.
हाँ, वो wheel, ठीक है, अब ठीक है. Okay, इसको ना
Weight it down. Okay. So that's the position of the patient, and somewhere here is the entry point.
बस शो
Somewhere
क्विकली
here.
फास्ट, सब टाइम ज़्यादा लग रहा है, हमको जल्दी फिनिश करना है केस.
But we have fluoroscopes. We'll not go by centimeters
Sure,
or the
sure.
angle.
Sure.
We have fluoroscope. Everything is visible there.
Yeah, that's better. Okay. Okay. So that's the image. That's the place.
Yes.
Patient head there and CM
Yes.
there, and CM has to go in and out when I'm required.
Yes.
I'm going. I made a local. I'm just going to the entry point.
Okay.
And there are people who put two gloves in the left hand and put one finger inside mouth. I normally avoid it because I have a bend needle. Initially, I go laterally, then I go medially. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying
Sir,
to
wait.
avoid the oral cavity. Okay,
Sir,
friends.
please wait. Nothing is visible
Sure.
here.
बैग में देखना है हुक रखा है क्या?
We are just getting close now. Can you see this?
हाँ ठीक.
Now just show us the fluoro image.
Sure.
Show us the fluoro image.
Okay. People, CM image. You with the one camera you're doing? Okay. let's
Okay.
go. Okay. And suddenly when you're touching
So that's the fluoro
the
image.
patient will wince and will complain of the V3 division pain.
Yes. So the moment we'll go towards the foramen vein, the mandibular nerve is coming from there. The moment we'll go close to that patient, complain of
Sure
pain.
now. Yes.
Because we'll
See,
touch
my
the
bend is helping me. I'm trying to manipulate my bend.
हाँ.
See
Okay.
this, my bend is helping me. But sometime when you're in the ovale, you can go through and through. Remember, you should be careful on that. You can go into the brain, so you might be going in the middle of the ovale. So always tend to touch the bone first. Sure. Always tend to touch the bone first. Okay? Sure. Quickly. Better. See this? I am just at the lateral margin of the ovale. Once
Yeah.
again, I'll show you. Sure. I'm the lateral margin. Can you see this, everybody?
Yes.
At the lateral margin of veil, this is
Yes.
where I'm supposed to be touching the bone. I am intentionally misdirecting. So I'm touching the bone. All of you see this? See, she's wincing also. Show this. This. इसको दिखाइए एक minute. I'm at the lateral margin. I'm touching. See, I'm touching the bone. By intent, I'm touching the bone.
Okay.
Right? Because I might go through and through. Otherwise, now what I'll do is I'll redirect my needle tape medially and go inside, and she's already wincing. So I'm touching her. With she see, you can hear the sound also. Sure now.
There's a pain.
Sure.
This is because of
You
mandibular
can
nerve.
go and see at the image also. Look at the image. He'll show you the image. Image.
Okay.
Are you seeing it now clear? So
yes.
I directed it back inside.
Yes,
Just like a
yes,
bend
yeah.
needle we do for the facet and other places, you know. In and out, bend in, bend out, bend in, bend out technique.
Yeah.
So I have touched the bone, gone inside I'm inside the ovale now, so I have to see in the lateral view and I can go further. By the way, for all practical purposes, when the patient winces for V3 nerve pain, because I'm going through the nerve now, so my job can be done finished here. But still, let's go inside and have a look at it. That is what the answer to your question, why do Gesserian? Then it's not Gesserian, during mandibular nerve in the foramen ovale. Right?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead, lateral view, quick.
नहीं.
एक मिनट, ये क्या
No. Because we want to target
Everything
only
will
V3, na? It's in the lateral part. It's in laterally only.
I'm not getting questions. Any questions, please keep
Lateral,
asking.
yeah.
We are at the lateral margin of the veil in AP view or submental view, you call it. It's not AP, it's oblique submental view. And we are trying to have a look at the lateral view. Try to see that.
Size of the tip of the needle
Cover.
is 5 mm. You can use 2 mm also, you can use 5 mm also.
Hello, Dr. Pankaj.
Yes.
Can you see the CM pictures
No.
in
no.
PIP? No?
No.
Okay, anyway. If it is not there, we'll show it. We'll coordinate, no problem.
Image on image is not there.
Acha, by the way, when we are trying to look at the depth, we should be in pure AP view, patient-wise. Head should
Yes.
not be tilted. Some people do it. Some people tilt the face of the patient in the AP view when we are trying to have a look at the submental view. Or some people tilt the CM. If you have tilted the face of the patient in the AP view, always put in the center in the lateral view. It shouldn't be tilted. Then you have a misconception of the depth. It's very, very important to put it back in the center. Yeah. Show me now, please. Close. Or I'll show you one more important thing here now. Show please.
हाँ बढ़िया.
Lower नीचे आइए थोड़ा सा. बहुत अच्छा.
पूरे ही काम
That's
हो
a
गया.
lateral image.
Show. Okay friends. थोड़ा सा ऊपर चले जरा सा.
All
बस
done.
ठीक है. बिल्कुल स्टॉप है. Show once again. Okay. Okay. Do you see this?
Yes.
All of you?
Yes.
You're seeing the sella turcica and you're
Yes.
seeing the clivus,
Yes.
right? And the petrous bone. I'll show you on the monitor again. Just saying is not enough, so I'll just show you on the monitor.
Slightly zoom out, sir.
हाँ. उसको zoom out कीजिए.
Zoom out.
Show please. एक minute.
Zoom out. Out. No. Zoom in नहीं. Zoom in नहीं. Zoom out. छोटा करो उसको. छोटा करो. हाँ.
Good case, but not for workshop.
Okay, wait now.
Can you see the pictures in PIP? The images?
No. It's
तो
not.
किरण भाई तुमने
You
स्लीप
can
ठीक
see only
की
one
तो मुझे
picture
लगा
there.
हो गया प्रोसीजर खत्म.
Okay, friends. Have a look now. Please let me explain this.
तो स्लीप किसने मोड़ दी थी?
जरा सा ऊपर लाइए. जरा सा ऊपर. ये
Hello, sir.
हाँ, लेके बात करके बंद.
Dr. Jain,
Yes, my friends.
show with the pointer.
Yeah,
क्या
I'm
कर
just
रहे
coming
हैं?
here.
Tajam,
Show,
Yes.
show one image, one shot. Okay, friends, everything is right here. Have a look, please.
Yes.
This is Italy going here. This is the angle, by the way. We are going inside. You are seeing that this is the pituitary fossa.
Yeah.
The sella turcica, you call it. Anterior clinoid process, posterior clinoid process. Have a look at it. Anterior,
Yes.
posterior clinoid. This is the
पकड़ा हुआ है तुमने
pituitary fossa.
Yeah.
And there's a clivus
yeah.
which is fall. This is the
निकाल.
clivus here. And
Very
this is the
good,
petrous
Kiran.
bone. The horizontal portion of the petrous bone and
Final
clivus
name in the
meet
question.
somewhere here. This is the area we tend to
Final
target.
name in the
I am
question. और
in
भी
the
अंदर ही
foramen
था,
ovale.
खत्म
This is about half centimeter of
सब हार्ड हो गया.
half centimeter of foramen ovale. This is the bony canal. Can you see this? The bony canal is obvious
Ah,
here.
now
I am
it is
getting
very
into the
mobile.
bony canal. I have to reach somewhere here. That is what my intent is.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is the horizontal portion. This is the of the petrous bone
Petrous.
and the meeting point. This is the target. Now one important thing here. Two important things one by one. One is if I have to do V3 only, I have to be 2 millimeter below this line. 2 millimeter. Suppose I draw a line, I should be 2 millimeter below. For V2, I should be at the height of this petrous bone, and for V1, I should be 2 millimeter above. So remember 2 millimeter. This is for V2, by the way, this line. For V3, 1 2 millimeter below, and V1 2 millimeter above. Another thing is, which is important here. Let me show this picture now. Show this picture, please. This picture. On this picture, this is the lateral vibaya. Luckily, we have both the views. In this view, for V3, I stay laterally here. For V2, I should be in the center of the foramen ovale. For V1, I should be medial and little cephalic. So normally it's oblique like this. So V3, V2, V1. Understand? Or V1, V2, V3 in this is quite horizontal in this view, by the way. So V1, V2, V3. That is there for the specifically we want specific V1, V2, V3 only.
Yeah.
All right. And if you want combined, then you can start from here and keep going up. So this will keep going up, and then you start targeting. So you start with V3, you go to V2, then go to V1. But normally we don't do 3. Rarely we do 3.
Yes.
And there is a parameter also. I'll explain the RF parameters also after a second. So I've yet to go a little more in. I'm in a very safe zone.
डिपोमेट्रोल दे दो.
Yes. Any question on this?
Am I clear on this, please? Any question can be asked now because we're going to start the procedure any minute.
The lateral image is clear. Lateral image is clear.
Arun, can you repeat the question?
So I'm going in, my friends. Have a look. इसका टिप हमने किधर रखा है? See, she's already wincing. Can you hear some sound? Some noise? Sure.
Asteroid. Huh?
So we'll go on inside. I'm pretty much okay now. Can you see my tip is now getting close to that angle where we have to meet the thing. So I can always do a stim for you after a minute.
चल.
Ready? Plates ready? Okay. Okay. Now stim is again very specific. Camera is clear. Camera on patient. Camera on patient. Sensory. बिल्कुल 0.23 तक ही जाएगा. Very low stim, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, go 0.1, 0.1. And patient will have a pain. As soon as I put the machine on, patient was wincing.
10, 6.
Sensory stim.
So this is
That
connected
you
with the
know.
RF machine now.
I can show you if you want.
नहीं 10 ही दे दो. 10 दे दो.
Show us the
10
RF
इसमें
machine.
चले आता है काल स्टोर.
Somebody asked for pain. Huh?
RF machine. Show us the RF machine. Settings. Settings of the RF machine.
Okay, patient is having pain even at
इसका
0.1.
patient
By the way,
Point one we are.
was not easy.
Point one means. we are sitting
0.1.
Inside the
Patient is
nerve.
having pain. We are in intraneural in a way. We are intraneural.
स्टेज में होते हैं ना तो वो दिक्कत करता है बहुत.
Shows the RF machine. Settings of the RF
Yeah,
machine.
RF machine दिखा दें. No, but I want to show you the
एक ही
fasciculation
जरा सा
first.
प्लेन था.
Okay.
हाँ.
शुरू करें. Look at the face. No, look at the face, my friends. हाँ?
Motor stimulation.
इसमें तो 0.5 तक आ जाएंगे आराम से.
So sensory was at 0.1 volts.
चलिए.
क्योंकि
Okay.
तेरे
Pain
कारण
है?
ही केस
चलिए,
हुआ है.
चलिए. Yes, yes, go up. Go up.
नहीं, दास सर तो खैर हैं ही. दास सर से तो पार्टी लेंगे अपन.
डॉक्टर गौतम दास
Can-
को एक बार बुला लो.
Gossiping चलिए, gossiping.
Can you see the twitches here? एक मिनट ऐसे.
हो
face
गया.
ऐसे.
नहीं है.
मुँह खोलिए आ. Can you see the jaw movement?
You don't
please?
need these instruments now.
हाँ. Sure.
No.
Fine. हाँ. Go
Sir,
up.
nicely
The jaw
done
is
now.
clenched, in other
So
words.
we thought we should
हाँ.
finish it because it was a hard
jaw दिखा.
calcified.
बढ़ाओ. उसको बोलो relax करो.
Yeah.
बढ़ाओ. Go up to 1.
Huh? Yes.
No, no.
Yeah, absolutely.
हाँ बस.
Yes, yes.
You can
Our
see.
aim is to burn now. That's it.
बंद.
If we are in the nerve, that is best. We'll get the best results.
हाँ बस. छोड़ दीजिए. ढीला छोड़ दीजिए. ढीला छोड़ो. हाँ बस. ऐसे मत करो. टाइट मत करो आप. टाइट मत करो. लूज रखो.
No,
लूज. हाँ लूज.
not before.
टाइट नहीं करना.
Before lesioning, yes.
हाँ खुला रखें.
Just 0.5 to
खुला
1
रखें.
ml of 2% Lignocaine.
Show. बढ़ाइए. 0.2, 0.3, 0.5 तक जाइए. Can you see this jaw, please? Everybody, मुँह खुला रखिए. मुँह खुला रखिए. All of you, please.
Yes.
Can you see the jaw shaking? मुँह खुला रखिए.
नहीं वैसे exactly. हाँ.
Can you see this, please?
That-
Am I clear? We have to show. Save time. Say yes quickly. If you're getting it, if not.
we should do it. हाँ.
At what voltage you are
Only-
getting?
Can you see the jaw shaking, please?
At what voltage you are getting this?
No, it's 0.5. We're getting even lower one. कम करिए.
What voltage?
बस. ठीक
चलो
है. मुँह
fitting
खोलिए
क्यों आ
आप.
गया?
See, it's 0.3 now. Still we're getting good shake. इधर मुँह करें.
Dipomedrol.
मुँह खोलिए आप. Can you see this?
And one stitch. Two.
Is it okay?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, fine.
Stomach, yeah.
So if we're getting even at 0.3, a good shake and even at 0.3.
So
I
0.1
can
at
reduce.
sensory and 0.3 we are getting
हाँ,
both of
still
this.
is fine. Anyway.
Fine. मुँह खोले रखिए.
Still, जो भी है दे दो.
So at 0.2 I can feel. You can't see much, but I can still feel.
Yeah, okay.
Now I'll show you the machine
That's
setting. I'll
perfect.
show you the jaw shakes first. Now show the machine setting, please.
10, 8 or 6.
Have a look at friends.
10
This is
or
at 0.2.
8 and 60.
क्यों 6 चाहिए fitting tube की 8 चाहिए?
Same here. You always should look at the impedance. Impedance should not go up to 1000. That means you're already in the CSF and all. So impedance is about 400, and you're looking at this stem. It's 0.2 volt. Look at it. It's 0.2
क्यों?
volt here.
इसको क्या कर रहे
And
हैं?
your temperature, we have not just started the RF, so its temperature is okay. I'm going to do a
Motor
conventional RF
stimulation
here.
at 0.2 and 0.3.
And this is the sensory for sensory. This is the motor, by the way. Sensory, show the sensory at 2 hertz. So for sensory we go at 50 hertz.
हाँ ना?
With 50 hertz again we start and patient will win.
Now this is
Silicone oil.
sensory.
Look at it. We are
Sensory.
starting and at point 1 patient starts calling pain. Start. पहले 0 कर लीजिए तभी start.
हाँ.
अब start.
हाँ, हाँ,
Yes.
sir.
Go ahead.
It should be always.
And you can hear sound.
सेंसरी पे जितना मिलेगा उसके डबल पे मोटर मिल जाएगा.
बढ़ाइए. हाँ. हाँ. Huh? See, you can hear patient calling, she's having pain even at 0.2. It's 0.21 by the way. So that's an ideal place for V3. Again, you asked the distribution of pain. We didn't ask it yet. Ask her, is the same pain what she gets?
लो को
जामुन बैठा है वही
can उसको trigger flex से वो कर दो.
See,
spin कर
patient
दो.
says yes. Did you see? She answered yes. So we are in right spot with V3. We're going to do RF now, and that's it. Start with. Now I normally people do conventional
You
or
don't
something.
need
I don't
cutter
believe much in
and
pulse
forces
RF.
now, no?
I do conventional low temperature, 50, 60. I start with 50, 60, then 60, 60, and then
दूसरा
70,
कर रहे हैं
60.
Okay.
Why 50, 60? Let me explain. Books will say 60, 60, 65, 60, 70, 60.
Yes.
But why I do it? Because at
वही है,
50,
cutter चल
60,
नहीं रहा.
there's not much of pain and this nerve
Waiting double.
this nerve gets numb. It's like a local
connect
anesthetic
कर देते
effect
हैं ना?
Yes.
at 50, 60.
Yes.
Then I
cutter
do
है
higher
ऐसा
ones
नहीं
because
होता है.
otherwise patient don't tolerate. If you start 60, 60, sometimes patient doesn't tolerate. You have to give either local or propofol.
So starting
So
with the first
rarely I
lesion of
do
50, 50 degree for 60 seconds.
50, 60, 50. So that's my way of doing it because patient does tolerate 50, 60. But 60-60
सर
becomes
का
very
उंगली
difficult.
चलाओ बोलो।
To start with, either I have to give a local anesthetic or propofol, which I normally avoid. It's a personal choice. You can give a local anesthetic and start direct 60-60. So 50-60 patient tolerates. You
No,
can do just
no.
two stimulation or three stimulations.
It is
Again, a
better.
choice depending on how bad is the or how long is the
Yes,
trigeminal
Dr.
neuralgia or how severe it is. But to have a complete lesion at this age, which is an older age patient, you should do 3 lesion. And third lesion I don't do inside the in the trigeminal cistern. I do in the canal, as I mentioned to you in the beginning.
What he's saying,
I come out in
if
the
you
canal,
do
in
a
foraminal
50
canal,
degree,
bony canal, and
if
give
it
one
is
last
not-
lesion there, 70-60.
लिया डेपोमीटर
So patient is tolerating now.
इसमें तो कुछ नहीं आ गया होगा यहाँ पे।
Ideally, you should start with 60.
Any
70,
questions? We can have a look at what's going on. इधर दिखाइए.
60, 70, 75,
हाँ
60,
बस मुंह
70,
बंद रख
80.
सकते हैं.
वो अभी मत करो उसको है ना पहले उससे साफ करो ये क्या है
Wait for some 30 seconds and then we start 60-60.
Conversion, no pulse. There is no pulse here.
बात कर लेना जल्दी please।
Only conversion.
30 seconds and 60-60.
Another
Any
distinct
questions
process.
now? More than welcome. Any questions now?
हाँ जी।
People tend to give sometimes steroids, it's choice, you know. If you think neuritis is going to be a problem, you can give steroids. I don't mind, but it's pretty much fine if you do even with the steroids.
That is post-posterior.
That is for neuritis, post-procedure neuritis. You can give
Yes.
about 10-20 milligram, not much, 10-20 milligram only of the depot. Just few seconds. 30 seconds हो जाएगा, 60-60.
No, reasoning is not out.
One good thing in this picture, you can see the both auditory meatus have overlapped. You can see through and through both auditory meatuses. If you have a look at the CM image, later on we'll show you. Right. Okay.
Now just start it.
बस अगर ज़्यादा दर्द होगा थोड़ा है sedation दिया अभी close give some sedation okay if patient is not tolerant go ahead very
यहाँ
light
क्या केस ले रहे हैं अगला?
Ablation,
just 50 mac
ablation, we are not worried
and
about the
one
motor.
more just 50 mac and one
Doing
यहाँ
minute.
क्या
ablation,
Quick, we are running out
whenever you are doing ablation, you are not worried about the motor.
Sir, what are we
No,
taking
no,
here
we,
next case?
we have to do that.
Okay. हाँ SCS मुझे नहीं लगता अब नेक्स्ट हो पाएगा है ना
इंस्ट्रूमेंट लेके अच्छी तरह से रख देते हैं
होगा तो होगा डाल देंगे फटाक से
कॉन्ट्रास्ट
सॉरी
So now you injected local anesthetic, there some?
hello yes
Not a gen?
yeah
You
it's about
injected local
0.1
anesthetic?
0.2 ml aspirate there should not be any CSF of blood I would just give a little one because I don't want patient to be comfortable so we can go ahead otherwise normally I would wait for another 1 minute and then start but or with the light of we always on with the fentanyl we should have given before we start the procedure just because we wanted to tell you the patient response so we didn't because she's an old lady so we've just given one now because we rightly positioned now sometimes you position the needle and then you do the sedation part sometimes in some
So I'm
procedures
keeping it here है ना
sure quickly
yeah
on
can I keep it somewhere
On.
जहाँ ऐसे
Start.
खड़ा करके रख हाँ? थोड़ी 10 मिनट के लिए
any questions anything is welcome we are
Thank you,
we are
Jagdish.
ready with other theater also
You would not have
yes,
please
yes.
keep asking
possible तुम नहीं आते ना पॉसिबल नहीं होगा
and keep looking at the monitor also because this time you can see some changes in the rhythm also
क्या
sometimes
हुआ था कि
so this is important
उसने एक तो ठीक कर दिया ना किरण में
No, no, no.
now patient is
Reasoning is also
comfortable
not-
with the 60-60 you see patient is
Reasoning
comfortable
we are
we're doing
doing for the
60-60 now
पे रख
If it
दिया
is-
उसने लिख
नहीं
Whenever you
ये
are
हम
doing reasoning-
उधर नहीं दिखाना
We are doing any lesioning.
yeah
So whether it is a sensory nerve or it is a motor nerve or it is a mixed nerve, we are just reasoning it.
नहीं स्लीप
I didn't get Pankaj what is saying
अब राउंड हो जाएगा
We'll get only. That is the stimulation only. We are not doing the burning at that point. We are just stimulating it. We are just checking it.
so you see
That's-
patient is tolerating 60-60 very well and then last we'll come out and do 70-60
Yeah. See, even if you do reasoning at this, no.
Okay.
Even if it is a mixed nerve,
दवा
in a mixed nerve, when we do reasoning, it has seen that it
I
doesn't
just
affect
came
the
out
motor part.
about 0.5 centimeter Pankaj and I am in the canal, bony canal now and I'll do my last RF now 70-60
It is not possible. It's not possible.
Start.
No.
Local दे दिया.
It's not possible to selectively listen the sensory part.
अंदर जब भी एडवांस करना है रोटेट करना है
We have to sacrifice that. We have to tell the patient this thing that you may have a motor loss here. That we have to do. Even 60 degree also we have motor loss. Even with 60 degree. Even
So,
at 60 degree we
somebody
may
is
have motor
asking,
loss.
I think
Even
probably
at
this
80
important
degree
thing.
we may not have motor loss.
We are talking about sensory motor dissociation at V3 division. It seems that is the question. That is the
Don't go beyond 70 degree, 80
that's the
degree.
dispute.
This is on क्या? हाँ?
Yeah. Yes.
So 70-60 dissociation is said laterally and posteriorly lies the nerve, which is the motor division. If you want, you can try to avoid when you try to be a little more medial in your approach. Right? So people can do a sensory motor dissociation for the V3 because motor division comes separately from the brainstem. So that can be tried if you really want to attempt that way.
But we have to explain this to the patient that you may have motor loss. This we have to explain to the patient.
Finish. So we are done with the procedure. Anything? We have done
We
3
have to take
lesions,
consent
50,
of that
60,
also.
60, 60, 70, 60. And that is good enough for a single nerve, single division. Patient will have a motor loss for some time. It is transient, more transient. The
Yes.
sensory loss stays for longer
Yes.
and pain-free patient stays pain-free even longer.
Yes.
There can be numbness for some time. So motor
Yes.
returns first, sensory returns number 2 and pain-free
Even
stays for
70,
longer.
80 degree we are not serious.
We can remove the thing. One more thing you have to be careful. There can be some hematomas and all. You
Even
give me
with
cold
PRF
sponging
we have seen
or
motor
maybe
loss
some compression for
time.
5 minutes.
With PRF. In PRF we are not going beyond 45 degree. Still we are getting some motor loss.
So we are removing the needle. Anything now? I'm removing the needle, please. Have a look. Sure. Bas.
Can you show us the entry point, sir? 1 minute.
Sure.
1
Sure.
minute.
Sure. Sure. Move.
Show us the entry point.
आपने कुछ नहीं करना. मुंह बंद करिए. हाँ बस. हाँ. Entry point दिखाइए उधर से. I'll show you. ऐसे रखिए. ऐसे रखिए. ऐसे रखिए. I'll show you.
Close up. Close
Have a
up.
look, friends. Have a look.
Okay, that's the entry point. You can see that.
Right? Okay, friend, angle of mouth, because angle is deviated a little up, otherwise, is angle of mouth and just inch sidewise. And second is, view is your foramen ovale. That's it. And your needle is going towards center of the pupil. If you look at the eye, it's going towards the center of the pupil here, and it should be mid-zygoma in the lateral view. That's what you intend. People used to do it blindly initially. Now we have a fluoro and other things and CT. Some people do even CT-guided procedures. Right? So I'm just taking the needle out, friends, here for you. This goes out, this goes in. So we just give a little pressure for about maybe a minute or two. Just rub it, and you want to put tape, you can put a tape, and then patient can go home. आंख बंद कीजिए, आंख बंद कीजिए जोर से. Okay, fine. Always check for these other things, the facial and other things, Although it's no way close, but just for satisfaction's sake. Patient goes back home, suddenly my eye is not getting close. So it's hematoma or it's facial gone.
Sir, can you just check on this patient the motor, the sensory, post procedure? What normally we check?
No, we should be observing for one is the hematoma. That I said, your immediate pressure for 2 minutes will help the hematoma part because you are going through a vascular area sometime and vessel may come. I have had a patient who was doing a procedure. There was a very big hematoma. I was doing another patient in the meantime with the same glass when I do other procedure.
No.
I put one finger inside mouth, 2 finger inside mouth, by the way, and 2 finger
Sir.
outside. I'll just show you in this patient, by the way.
Yes.
What I did was
Yes.
have a look. मुंह
So
खोलिए,
normally-
खोलिए. Have a look,
Yes.
friends. Here, it's important. There was a large hematoma, the cheek was totally swollen. I put 2-3 finger inside and another gauze pad in here and kept a pressure for about 5 minutes, maybe 5 or 10 minutes. The hematoma later on obviously got dissolved, but obviously if you don't
Yeah.
do the pressure thing, you may go through a vessel. Sometimes it may be a small artery, but it can give a hematoma which can be.
Sir,
Wait.
sir,
Yeah.
sir, delegates want to see what all things you check after the procedure.
Okay.
What
That
is
way we
it?
should always check for the cornea, But
Yes.
if we had anything, we are going up to V2, then we start checking for cornea. We always stayed in V3. But if we start going up, we always check for cornea
Yes.
and jaw closure.
Yes.
That you're looking at jaw closure and cornea, those two things. For V1,
Yes.
the cornea for V1 and jaw closure if you have taken mandibular, which is going to be there. Maxillary is going to be involved in any case. So that should not be worrying for you.
Aap to band
But
kar
yes, you can always move on kijiye. Move on kijiye. Move on kijiye. Move on. See the jaw is closing. She is closing her jaw.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Open. Mukh kholiye. See this? She is able to make it easily, comfortably. And this pressure, I'm just demonstrating. It's not that you have to do it in every case. But I'm just demonstrating if you
Yes.
find a hematoma, then you can do it. That's it. We are done with the procedure. Just spirit swab.
Okay.
Just one drop of spirit. Here, here.
Sensory part, sir, sensory part.
Finish. Okay, and that's it. You put a band-aid if you wish to. Otherwise, my needle was 22. I can
Immediate
just stop and
sensory
let
part
the
is
patient
because of the
go.
local anesthetic. You didn't, yes. So you may not have. So you may not have.
आँख खोलिए.
You may not
खोलिए,
have.
बड़ा
You may not have a sensation
आँख
loss.
खोलिए. आँख खोलिए.
Immediate नहीं
खोल के
होता.
रखिए. आँख
If you
खोलिए.
need local anesthesia, then you'll
Have a look at it, friends. How to check cornea, please.
Local anesthesia.
Here, cornea sensation. Looking at it. See this? As soon as I touch, patient closes. Watch it. Okay?
Yes, yes.
That's the way to check. By the way, in V1, this is going to go. Means you can't help it sometime.
Yes.
In V1. So obviously that's a concern, but definitely when you get a V1 involved, you always give the patches and those teardrops and everything, because then if there is a keratitis, then patient can have a blind eye. So you have to be very careful. In one of my patients, there was a spill. I was doing a phenol, initially a glycerol phenol. There was a spill onto the V8 and V7 division, right at the brainstem. Patient had a transient issue for some time. So those things you should be knowing if you're doing chemical. RF is safer, much safer that way, because it's going to be very, very local. And with liquid, it can throw places. So I had to see that patient, give the patches and all, ophthalmic opinion. But anyway, patient resolved. You have to be, the complication is going to come. It is going to happen when you do the procedure. It's not that it's not going to happen.
Sir.
Sometime or other. We should know them beforehand and treat them well. That's
Sir.
more important.
Dr. Jain?
Yes, please.
Sir, what is the incidence of anesthesia dolorosa in this case?
Obviously, then when you do all these procedures, dolorosa is going to come. 2% chances are obviously there. That is said, it's always there. For different procedure, you can do a chemical one, you can do this RF. RF has got a definitely dysesthesia, lot higher dysesthesias than other procedures. What glycerol was being used chemically, this has got a more dysesthesia. But then they tend to resolve, and you treat them. You already been giving Tegretol, other things. You carry on with that, and if dolorosa comes in, you really have to manage. It's much tougher to treat than trigeminal per se. But it's only 2%, 1 in 50 patients. That's the incidence of dolorosa. But you should tell it beforehand in some patients. If somebody has got it, then it's going to be a problem. You sometimes tell the patient beforehand that if unlucky, you may have 1 in 50 patients, you may have it, and then at least you are in a safer side if you already beforehand told the patient. But when the patient is in a very big pain, they always say yes. But if you didn't tell it beforehand, they will always come and blame you, but you didn't tell us. Otherwise, we would have not got the procedure done. So it's always better to play safe, always tell complications beforehand, because patient in pain will agree. But later on, otherwise they will cross blame you. So this is very important to understand. We don't do ballooning. Sometime when do ballooning, then there's a motor weakness is more higher than the all other procedures. When people used to do ballooning for trigeminal gangliosidosis.
Sir,
Yes, friends.
what Dr. Jadon is asking is, can you just show us the anesthesia part in that V3 distribution? Is there
I
any-
didn't get what is he?
Is there any sensation loss in the VC distribution?
Acha. Okay. Okay. Good thinking, you know. So what we do is, good. Somebody intelligently asked. I appreciate that thing. एक मिनट ये पिन चुपता है? हैं? You ask. You know.
छूचटा फूटचे
Here, push. See patient wincing. All of you, please. Yes. है ना patient wincing and
এখন লাগছে এখন কম লাগছে তো
see there's a instant thing. You see this patient not wincing. If I do it here, she winces. Just have a look. She winces here. But when I'm doing here, she's comfortable. And it's going to be better off day by day, because you've done a RF right now. It's going to be better off day and day until you give local anesthetic, which will work instantly. So in a pure RF, it may come right now. Will keep improving day by day. The pain sensation. Thank you, sir. Anesthesia patch. You see, she started bleeding. If you look at it, I give dikhai. Spirit swab, please. Yeah. It was very
Very
sharp
good
needle,
results. Definitely very good results.
Chalo.
And if you are getting at 0.1 volts,
Anything else, friend? Anything else
So-
anybody wants to ask, please?
result आना ही आना है.
Or we set with the other theatre. दूसरा ready हो गया OT? Huh? Okay, still not ready. So we can carry on. Any question? Sphenopalatine, trigeminal, the other things, you know,
Sir.
which you have in mind. Or there's a very good, what do you
Sir.
call, the starlight process here. Can
Dr.
you
Jain.
want to have a look? I'll show you. Show me the image. Image, please. I can show you more image actually. Here, just quickly.
Dr. Jain?
Yes, please. Yes, Dr. Pankaj.
Sir, for how long the effect is going to last?
Well, depending upon how many lesions you've done, what temperature you've done, this can go for years together if you have rightly done it. But yes, sometimes the next one is always longer lasting than the first one. It happens, you know. See here. So what you're looking at here is, this is a long styloid process, luckily. You can see this, by the way?
Yes.
Long styloid process. I have to do a glossopharyngeal nerve. I would rather come here, touch the styloid process and go just posteriorly and go another 2-3 millimeter inside, maybe 0.5 at max, inside, and do my glossopharyngeal nerve block. And I find one of the most difficult blocks, even more difficult than trigeminal, by the way, because you have vital structures and sometimes this knotty thing is not so well visible. You have seen it so beautifully, styloid process. You can call it eagle syndrome in other words.
Can you reduce the voltage?
The
Just voltage.
voltage of what?
Or see, just saying, fluoro.
Fluoro, you show it this here. ये वाला दिखाइए. Look at the other one. This is better off, by the way. Can you see this now? Is better?
Yeah.
Yes, friends. Can
Yes,
you see
yes.
this long styloid process?
Yes.
Coming up to the angle of the jaw. You can see angle of the mandible up to the angle of
Yes.
mandible. Right here. So you just have to go and tie this and go just behind this. Right? Remember, there's a vagus and an 11th nerve is also coming along with that.
Yeah.
The 9th and 11th goes together. So you have to just go at the behind this and go another 0.3 or 0.5 centimeter inside, and then you do your RF. You know, RF is a good thing to do. Chemical may spill onto vagus and other things. RF will be good to do. So you can do an RF here. You have an angle, and for all other procedures like otherwise, this is your head of the mandible, and you can go in here. This is coronoid, this is zygoma here. You can just go in here for your V3 and V2 blocks.
Yes.
For sphenopalatine, my needle should be here. Dikhaiye. No,
Sir, for
the
needle
RF,
tape-
RF needle, RF please. RF needle, RF
Dr.
needle,
Jain?
long RF needle.
Sir,
Yeah, दे दिया, अच्छा, ठीक है, like.
this is the
Yes, friends, speak, please. We can talk.
You do align
Yeah.
it.
For your sphenopalatine, if you are not doing it today by any chance, this is the inverted VOS. Can you see this? Can you
Yes,
see the
yes.
inverted VOS?
Yes.
Yeah. So you are seeing two, by the way. You are
Yes.
seeing one elliptical drop-like thing here and one drop-like thing here. There are two drops.
Yes.
One drop is here, another drop is here. They should be overlapping. But in any case, we go from here and we go up in here and go in this drop area and we go in there. In AP view, it should not be going behind the lateral nasal margin. Lateral nasal margin, because then you can go into nasopharynx. You have to be careful. So my needle final position would be somewhere like this for sphenopalatine block. Somewhere here or somewhere here. Okay?
Sir, how do you know that this is the right side or this is the left side?
No, that's difficult to do because when we do a little rotation, the image moves, you know, which image moves higher or
Yes.
faster, it all depends. So that is something you have to, and other thing is,
So we have to overlap it.
yeah, we
You have to
ideally
bring
should
it some-
overlap.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying. We should ideally be overlapping.
Yes.
This is not an overlapped image. For overlapping, you look at the mandible, angle
Yes.
of the mandible and all, and then overlapping thing.
Otherwise,
That is
we don't
really
know
required.
whether we are entering the right side or left side. We don't know.
Call ले ले.
So
बात-
overlapping is important.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
No, but how will you target? Suppose this is your right side and you are targeting here. So you'll be at a different position. Yes, you have to superimpose it.
Anything we can discuss it here. Anything on this
what
image,
is-
if you want, there's more to be discussed, we can discuss.
What is the dangerous position of the needle? in
Yes,
trigeminal?
please.
Dangerous position of the needle.
Dangerous position of the needle.
Yes.
In the trigeminal, you saying, or
Trigeminal.
sphenopalatine?
In trigeminal.
Trigeminal, obviously. If
What
you've
is our-
gone beyond 2 millimeter and beyond,
Yes.
beyond 2 millimeter of this petrous bone,
Yes.
obviously you can go into the major vessels. The carotid is coming here, internal carotid, and then you have the brain tissue coming in here, and people have had a major accidents. And neurosurgeons can always go and do the needful, but for you it's going to be a problem.
Yeah.
So it's always better to stay safe and keep stimulating. Even when you're going inside, do a stim and go in. Do stim, go in. It's not that you go in first and then you start stimulating and coming out. It's always good to stimulate when you're going in.
Yes.
So if that keeps you safer. V3 is very safe. You can get a stim right in the foramen ovale. But yes, you always tend to reach at this area, just 2 millimeter below this. That is safe zone. This is safe and that is also safe. Because you are in the tissue. There's a large, the trigeminal ganglion is a very large ganglion, by the way, gastrin ganglion. So you stay in the mass of the ganglion there. But as soon as you start going beyond 2 millimeter, then you're going to get into the either brain tissue or the major vessel which is there. If you go stray medially, by the way, then all your V6 nerves, all those nerves, V4, V6, they come. and you can burn them. You don't do that. If you go superiorly, you can get into the major vessel or brainstem. That you don't do. Laterally, you can't go much beyond because then you have only the mandibular division, which is laterally, coming from laterally. So that's not a risk. Another thing is when you used to do chemical one, which has not been done lately, we always make the patient put the position needle, look at the CSF if you get, CSF is always good, and make the patient sit and then put your drug, which is hyperbaric, mostly hyperbaric glycerol, which was used initially. And then you make the patient tilt head on the side, on the same side and anteriorly for V3 division.
Suppose if we accidentally puncture the dura, we enter into the cistern.
No, if you go into the cistern and you're touching dura, if you're touching the brain, then there may be a headache, that's what patient may complain. Even these procedure patient can have headache, but you tend to stay away. You will get a CSF.
Can we proceed ahead with the RF procedure?
Oh yes, we can still go ahead with the RF procedure because we are stimulating a division is telling if pain is there, then we can still go ahead with the RF. But you can always readjust your needle, So you don't want a dural type, it's okay, you can always readjust. We are not going to convert to chemical in any case. We're still going to do with the RF only, and you readjust your needle and you can go accordingly. But don't go deeper now.
But because once we are in the CSF, the effect of the radio frequency goes down.
Obviously, because of you change, impedance goes up, then you always readjust. I said readjust your needle and you don't waste your heat because your heat will be wasted in the CSF. You always tend to retract and reposition your needle, get the right stem, and then you do your RF, because otherwise it will be wasted. Quite a waste. बात कर ले.
Yes.
Quite a waste. और उनको बोलो 5 मिनट बात करेंगे. That is something very important. Yes, you are going to get CSF. Salat Arsica has got a CSF.